Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 8-inch stencils available right now. Whether you're a professional artist or a DIY enthusiast, finding the perfect stencil can make all the difference in your projects. Let's explore why this particular set stands out from the rest. This set of 8-inch stencils offers a wide range of designs and patterns, catering to every creative need. Crafted from durable materials, these stencils are built to last and withstand multiple uses without losing their shape or quality. The precision in each cut ensures crisp, clean lines, making them ideal for intricate detailing and repetitive patterns. What sets these stencils apart is their versatility. From floral motifs to geometric shapes, the collection covers a spectrum of designs, allowing you to unleash your creativity on various surfaces such as wood, fabric, and walls. Each stencil is easy to clean and store, perfect for both beginners and seasoned artists alike. Let's see these stencils in action. Whether you're decorating a plain wall with a stylish pattern or personalizing a piece of furniture, the stencils ensure precise placement and consistent results. Their ergonomic design makes them effortless to handle, minimizing the chances of smudges and ensuring a professional finish every time. Whether you're crafting handmade gifts or enhancing your home decor, the best 8-inch stencils elevate your artistic endeavors to the next level. Don't just take our word for it. Explore the endless possibilities these stencils offer. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have tool for creators everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the world of innovation with us. Take care.